Welcome to Tech Fix Everythings. In this video, I'll show you how to refill toner for Ricoh MP 4054, 5054, 6054, 4055, 5055, and 6055 copiers quickly and safely. This method also works for similar Ricoh models. Let's get started. Use a small flat screwdriver and gently push into the two small slots around the toner opening, just like I'm showing. After removing the cover, now you can pour the toner in here. Use the same toner shown in the video. Gently shake it to loosen and mix the powder evenly before refilling. This will make the process smoother and much easier. There are several types of toner available for Ricoh copiers, but always use premium quality toner to ensure your machine runs smoothly, avoiding smudges, streaks, and any potential damage to your copier. To protect your health, make sure to wear a mask before starting. Toner dust is a harmful chemical. While refilling, take your time and don't rush. Loosened toner tends to expand like soap foam, so pour slowly and let it settle gradually before adding more. In this demonstration, I'm refilling about 1 kilogram of toner into the cartridge. If your toner bottle doesn't have a nozzle like mine, use a funnel to pour the toner in. Make sure the toner tube is held firmly in place before you start. In this video, I'm showing a close-up so you can clearly see how the toner goes into the tube. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. I'd also love to hear from you. Do people in your area refill toner like I do? Or do you usually use original toner? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support helps Tech Fix Everything's grow and share more useful repair tips and DIY tutorials with people all around the world. Let's build a global community where we learn, fix, and grow together. After refilling, wipe the toner tube clean with a soft cloth. That's it. I've just shown you how to refill toner for the Ricoh MP 5055 and similar models. Now, put the toner tube back into the copier and start using it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot and helps me create more fun and useful videos for everyone around the world. See you in the next one.